cabinet position. Onus of, remove the word training, shift it to learning. Once you put it to learning, focus entirely on the student. Faculty can only push this much. Faculty cannot take ownership. I think this is where the fundamental departure we are making on the students. Faculty cannot take ownership. They cannot be the best in what is happening on the industry. They can be facilitators, they can arrange for knowledge to be brought in, but they cannot take ownership. So I think if we shift that emphasis on the student and try and push the faculty to be more helpful to them on their learning process rather than we take ownership of the teaching process, I think we change much.
I'll go to keep on focusing as it will be meet with the industry or it will be on whichever way. But if somebody questions back and says, what is that these students need to learn or pick up in 2 years' time or 3 years' time because duration? And on day zero, what is that they have, and what should they have on the final day? If you put that question, one answer that I'll have is from my experience of the successful students who are working with us and not so successful students who are working with us but believe in words like that. The ability to think through is one major need. Most of the students come with a lot of knowledge. Most of the students come with a lot of ability to speak well, language and all that, because of the confidence education, nothing to do with the MBA college that they have studied. But very few students come with the ability to think through and apply their mind. And most of management I can spare is what we call eloquent common sense. But then common sense is also very difficult to get through. It's very difficult. So are we enabling them to think through? Are we creating enablers who can think and apply their mind? And we have in Dr. Reddy's, we have youngsters who have risen to the ranks of the MC members, the management committee members at the age of 35, 34, 36, in 12 years, 15 years they could go through. And we don't think we have done any favor to them. They have actually done a lot of favor and they are doing a lot of favor to the organization. It's because of their ability to think. Superior thinking skills. I think that's most important point. I think academic institutions also have to keep in mind.
This subject, my consulting in the last 12 years, including some of the people present here, they are my clients one way, or more than one way. When I talk to them, right up to the CMDs, very few people have responded to the question, did you read a book in the last 1 year? Anything contemporary? I'm sorry to say, nobody has said yes.
This is very helpful. Finally, what is written in theory also does get inspired by industry. A lot of it, what is written, is inspired by industry. And the main role of B schools, as I see it, and as I put it very with a lot of clarity, is the ability to think. That's what we have to really focus on. And what I agree with Professor Sai Kumar is, I think this learning program has to be both ways, and of course more for us, and we need to go to industry. Student and faculty internship program should be combined. I thought that was simply a superb idea, where we take break into industry. And obviously we do expect industry also to come back here, and there's a lot of updating going on in theory, which is again inspired by industry. So it has to be both ways. And this thought on combined case study writing with faculty, with industry, was also an excellent way to interface with industry. Train the trainer program is, I think, another very important way in which industry, faculty could actually get into industry training as a consultancy and learn the ins and outs of industry. And as far as curriculum is concerned, if one really needs the curriculum to be up to date to the requirements, I think when we make the curriculum, inputs from industry will be very, very important. From industry. That, of course, we are trying to do, and I think that would be a good idea, when only 60% of the time is classroom and the rest is either going to industry or learning something from industry. One more point was a day in the life, I think. I just wanted to ask that point, like, how many industries would actually allow such a thing to happen?
You got to work for that. You got to work for that. Right?
I mean,
the moment you work for that,
it's like company, life of a company.
You have zero base now. You will have 1 day base. For you to make a MEB in HR like what you did, or something else,
But if you can fall in love in one day,
For 3 months and pay you also. Only thing you have to give some accountability. So 1 minute love also was there just before you were arriving. The opportunities are there in front.
Yeah. One more point.
Yeah.
Adopting students. So around 5 students or so are adopted by an industrialist who has to, in that 1 year course, take care of, call him to his office and make him part of all the activities. So here as faculty, I think we need to request industry to follow that program where you adopt 5 people and then wholly make them a part of your complete operations.